preparing my wooden boxes from used timber boards during construction at home and old condemned furniture. As you can see me very busy on the work right now. This is Solanium ethiopium, Ethiopian eggplant, commonly known as jagato in Sierra Leone, which has been uprooted from the nursery with a base soil still attached to prevent shock to the plant by exposing the roots of the plants to dry air. This is what exactly I'm speaking about. As you can see, the bulk of the soil still attached to the roots, to the base of this seedling, and it will have to be transplanted into the planting. You have to dig a hole at the middle of the box. Carefully place your seedling with the attached soils to it, and then carefully cover up the base. For this, the attached base soil is too big, so you have to shape it off a little bit, but you make sure you don't interfere with the roots, and then carefully place it in the hole where you have to transplant it, and then carefully cover it as I'm doing right now, digging the hole and placing the plant right in the hole, and carefully covering it, and then don't forget to press the soils around the stem, around the roots, so that it will hold, or it will be in firm contact with the root. This is the plant holder. As you can see, it is being perforated at the sides and underneath. These pieces are there to allow the plant roots to grow and extend into the liquid manure that will be provided for the plants to grow. This is the cover that is used to cover the container holding the hydroponic solution. As you can see, it has a hole in the middle that is meant for the plant holder, and the two small holes at the sides are used for aeration. So you put the plant holder in this hole like this to allow the plants to suspend just over the liquid that will be in the bucket, so that the roots will go down into the liquids, allowing it to have enough oxygen supply, and it will be covered like this. The two smaller holes are meant for aeration, because this hydroponic system is a non-flow, so you have to aerate it. These cushions are meant to hold the plant in place so that they will not move about in the plant holder. As you can see, it splits diagonally with a hole at the center. So you take one part of it and then fix it into the plant holder, and then you take the other half and fix them, leaving the plants just at the center where the hole is, so that it will stand up erect, allowing the roots to grow into the liquid manure that is being provided in the container. So this will be set up like this, and then it will be covered after putting the liquid manure into this bucket, and then putting your plant into the plant holder. So these holes are meant to aerate the system. This is fish remains from which I do get my organic manure. Sometimes I brew it to get a liquid manure, or sometimes I use this, I pound it and use the powder. So this is the liquid fertilizer brewed from the fish remains. As you can see, this is what I apply to my crops. So watch out for the final setup and planting using the hydroponic system in my next video, as today I'm very tired after making